Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the Play Store. And all we have to do is to tap on this circle, which is your account. However, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to right now either log in or sign up. So after that, as I said, tap on the circle and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the installed apps, and we can tap on updates available to check which one we can update. So let's mark those which we want to. Of course, you can mark all of them. Let me choose YouTube and maybe HONOR Health, and then tap on this update icon. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.